Welcome back to our live here at Quezon City for our third game sa ating NBTC Manila Live 2026 season. Our debut game of our makabagong San Juan Heroes. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. At please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po. Maya pa tayo magsisimula na ng ating third game. Our last game this elimination round. Good luck, boys. Team captain Noah Zamora. Okay na dyan, ayun sa baba. Tayo magsisimula na ng ating laban. Battle of undefeated team para sa bracket C. Tops muna tayo bago tayo magsimula.
first five.
Let's go. Good luck, boys. Alright, our first five: Halili, Zamora, Almeda, Solano, and Sevilla. Let's go, mga bagong San Juan Heroes. First ball makuha ng ating team. And the first basket para kay Halili. Number 3 to number 6. Pass number 3. To number 7. Crossover at the post. Number 15. That's a double dribble. Oh, bad pass. Number 3, all the way, no good. Out of bounds.
Same ball.
Same ball. Bad pass. Mga bago San Juan basketball. Sevilla attack the basket, no good. Halili and one. Basket count plus a foul by Halili.
Foul number 6, pushing foul, 2 shot.
One a shot, no good. Rebound ng NSW Elite. Good defense. Steal para sa mga bagong San Juan Heroes. Almeda. Pass to Solano. Halili. Trapas. Sevilla using their height advantage and score. Another steal by Almeda. What an extra pass. Halili and score.
Number 12.
Let's go defense. Another steal by Solano. Pass to Almeda. Basket is good for Jake Almeda. Ayan naman, nakikita na naman natin ang De La Salle Zobel connection. Solano to Almeda. Timeout dito ang Elite NSW. Official scores 10-0. Hindi mo raw. Game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 8 seconds. Elite basketball. Don't. Take a shot, no good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Jake. Steal ng Elite. To number 15. Nasa corner. Number 7. crossover, binigay sa corner. Pass number 31. Hesse, pass number 31. Running shot, no good, out of bounds. It's a 24-second shot clock violation. Sevilla gets the foul.
Foul number 10, hit to the arm, 2 shots.
2 shots for Sevilla.
First personal foul, second team foul.
First shot, no good. Second shot is good. 11-0. Substitution. Elite basketball. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Number 7 to number 31. Out of bounds, same ball. Bounce pass. Kick out to number 44, 4-3, no good. Pass number 7, take a shot, no, rebound. Pass to Noah Zamora. Sevilla, high pick up, derecho, in and out. Sevilla miss it. Another shot, no good. Rebound ng Kilit. Number 7. Pass number 3, binigay sa corner. Block by Sevilla. Noah Zamora with the ball. Almeida. Pass to Solano. Solano na higit and gets a foul.
Holding foul by number 7.
It's holding foul.
First personal
By
foul,
number 7.
third team foul.
2 shots for Solano. Charles. First shot is good for Charles Ashton Solano. Second shot for Charles. 2 for 2. 13 to nothing run ng ating makabagong San Juan. Let's go. Uy, another steal. Nakitawid. Number 31. Binigay sa corner. 4-3. Whoa! And there's a free up. Sorry, that's a 2 points. Solano. Pass to Jake. Bad pass. Number 3. Hesse behind the back. To number 44. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Halili. Pass to Zamora. Noah. Pass to Sevilla. Sevilla all the way. Basket is good. 15-2. Ibro Power makabago sa Nuan. Nakitawid. Running shot, floater, miss. Rebound by Noah. Oy, another steal for Elite, number 7. Pass number 44 to number 7. Handoff to number 3. Crossover, fake, fadeaway shot, miss. Rebound by number 3. Number 44 for 3. No good. Rebound by Almeida. Pass to Noah. Oh, Zamora. May tanga na bola. Pass to Solano. To Almeida. At the post. Halili. Too strong. Sevilla with a putback.
2 points by number 14.
7-2 in favor of our makabakang San Juan. Pass number 15. Spin. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Sevilla. Pass to Jake. To Solano. Running shot. No good. Halili with a putback. Number 44, binigay sa corner, 4-3. Whoa!
2 points, number 15.
Another long two para sa Elite. Solano, derecho, nabitawan. Sevilla, miss. Another rebound, Sevilla. Wala pa rin. Halili and gets a foul. 2 shots for Halili.
Pushing foul number 44. 2 shots substitution.
Shooting the line, jersey number 13. That is Kendrick Halili. Kendrick Lois. First shot is good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Second shot para kay Halili. Basket. Oh, steal. Capada. Number 31, kick out, catch and shoot. No good. Rebound. Ayan na, Capada. Pass to Halili, drop pass. Capada, no good. Rebound. Soblano, get the basket. Now that pass, number 44. Pass to number 15. Spin, drive. Whoa. First shot, no good. Offensive rebound, Mortel, no good.
Substitution.
There's a foul.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Halili shooting on the line. First shot is good. Let's go, Kendrick. Basket. 25-6. Number 15. To number 1. Crossover. Pass to number 12.
2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes tayo. Drop pass. And score. Adam. Pasok Capada. Halili. Oh, sorry, that's Soblano. 27, 8. Another steal by Halili. Pass Soblano. Soblano na bitawan. Out of bounds. White ball. Out of bounds.
Same ball.
Same ball. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Number 15. Running shot. No good. Block by Adam.
13
Oo siya.
13 seconds to shoot.
Running shot. Block. Pero may foul ang tinawag ang ating referee.
Hit to the arm by number 10. Two shot.
Two shot para jersey number 15.
First team foul.
In and out. Second shot. Miss. Rebound by Soblano. Here comes Adam. Up and under. No good. Rebound. Soblano. No good. Halili miss it. Another shot. No good. Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Substitution. Noah Zamora coming in. Ooh.
Second foul. Coach.
Technical for coach from our Macabagli San Juan. That's it. That's a jump ball. Number 15. Steal. Out of bounds. Another steal. Same ball. Last 14 seconds. Step back. Oh! That's a trouble. Time remaining, last 4 seconds. Time out.
Timeout. San Juan.
Time out, mga bagong
San
sinawan.
Juan.
Time remaining, 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Yan natin ang huddle ng ating coach, Joel Gragasin. 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a shot. Oh.
End of the first quarter. Score 26-9.
End of the first period, official score 26 and 9 in favor of our mga Bagong San Juan Heroes. Second quarter. Number 7. 4-3 short. Rebound by Hunter. Pass to Adam. To Noah Zamora. Hesse. Drive. Oh, good. Oh,
Two balls. Number 18.
that's Capada. Did a put back. Block. Ooh. There's a foul. Kita yun ating referee. Hold daw, sabi ng official.
Two shot.
Number 2 shooting in the line. Miss. Second shot is good. Hunter. Pass to Solano. Pinagay sa corner. Capada for 3. No good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Capada. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by Hunter. Kick out to Soblano. Miss. Rebound by Capada. Pass to Solano. Pinagay sa corner. Hunter. Miss it. Rebound. Soblano. And 1. Basket count and 1 for Soblano.
Pushing foul by number 2.
On the shot for a 3-point play. That is jersey number 24.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Soblano, Daniel. Miss. Rebound. Number 3. Number 7. Step back 3. No good. Hesse. Out of bounds. Hunter. Pass to Solano. Solano drive and score. There's a foul.
Blocking foul by number 21. Two shot. First personal foul. First team foul.
Oh, good. No good. Rebound. Solano up and under. No good. Noah Zamora miss. Rebound. Under miss again. Noah Zamora 4-3. No good. Steal. Ng Elite. Ayan na. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by Hunter. Outlet pass. Soblano all the way. Another steal. Soblano, Pasunoa all the way. Ay, Noah Zamora. Number 6. That's number 3. Number 34. Uy, wala. Rebound by Soblano. Paso Solano. Drive and gets the foul.
Into the number 7. Timeout.
Timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. 34-10 on the free throw area. Jersey number 88. That is Capada. Reeb, Atom. Let's go, Reeb. Second shot is good. 35-10.
Substitution.
El Solano. Ooh, and one. Basket count and one para kay Charles Solano.
Basket count. Black and foul by number
Body shot for
21.
3-point play
First personal foul.
for Charles Ashton Solano.
4th foul.
Basket. 39-10. Counted. Diba? Oh, steal. Solano missed. Another rebound by Solano. Bad pass. Sevilla high pickup. Too strong. Jake Almeida and one. For Jake Almeida. Shoutout po kila Sir Raven and Ma'am Christine Almeida. Alam pa na sila natin
Into
live.
the number 15.
Second shot, no good. 40 lang daw po.
Third personal foul.
40-10. Number 7 all the way.
Good ball.
Jake. Pass to Noah Zamora for 3, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 15. Ooh! Ay, foul daw, tinawag.
Into the arm by number 27.
Foul number 27, that's Jake Almeda. That is first personal foul.
First personal foul. Second team.
Second team foul. No good. Running shot, miss, rebound. Sevilla, no good. Another shot. It's a foul.
Into the arm by number 15. Fourth personal foul. Penalty.
Sevilla, first shot is good. Second shot, 2 for 2.
Substitution.
Field. Running shot, miss. Rep. Steal by Jake. Almeda to Noah Zamora. Right away. Setting on the play, Solano. Pass to Jake. Jake, strike. Using the board, no good. Sevilla, miss. Another shot, no good. Isa pa. Sevilla, basket.
2 points. Number 14.
And there's a foul.
Hatching foul by number 12. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Corner, running shot, miss, rebound by Jake. Almeda nagmamadali. Pass to Noah Zamora. Noah. Uy, walang tawag. Last touch. Red ball.
Timeout. Nakababot na.
Time out. Magbagong Sanuan Heroes. Official scores 44-13 in favor of our makabagong Sanuan Heroes. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 58 seconds sa ating second quarter. Solano. Pass to Noah. Zamora. Pass to Sevilla. Drive. What an extra pass. Halili with a score. Steal. Si Jake. Solano, pass to Sevilla, hook shot, use the board and score. Number 7, steal by Sevilla. Solano, what an extra pass, traveling.
Substitution.
Number 7, miss. Rebound by Jake. Almeida, pass to Noah Zamora, pass to Sevilla all the way. Basket is good. 50-13. Lumalaki na po ang ating kalamangan. Ayaw na ang double team. Oh, steal by Jake. Oh. And that's 7 on the line.
Substitution.
Gets a 3, no good. Rebound by Sevilla. Outlet pass. Too strong, no good. Rebound number 44, spin. Nasa corner, 4-3. Bang! Sevilla. Running shot, no good. Rebound. Noah Zamora. Noah running shot, no good. Rebound. Almeida miss. Sevilla with a block. Another shot for Sevilla. 52-16. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Solano. Solano gets a foul.
Into down, number 1. First personal foul.
Substitution.
Penalty.
David Nolasco coming in. Charles Solano on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot. Basket. 53-16. Ball pass. Steal by Noah Zamora. Noah, pass to Solano. Crossover, drop pass. Out of bounds. For 3, yes sir.
Number 17. 7.
Jake running shot, no good. Rebound. Nolasco. Pass to Jake, and there's a foul. On the free throw area,
Holding foul.
number 27, that's Jake Almeida.
Third personal foul. Penalty.
No good.
Pushing foul by number 16. First personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Last 30 seconds. Let's go. Last 94. Nine seconds. Uy. Time remaining, last 6 seconds. Last 6, Jake. Sevilla, running shot and score.
Two balls.
And that's the end of our first half. Official score 55-18. Favor of our Makabagno San Juan Heroes. Alright, magkakat muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second half. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.